Good morning, children. How are you all? Fine? Okay, very good. Dear children, I welcome all of you in your English grammar class. Okay? And today I am going to teach you in English grammar textbook. I am going to make you understand about the worksheet in page number 50. So, dear children, you can see in your textbook page number 50. Okay, and in this page there you can see the revision of articles, pronouns and adjectives, okay, which we have already discussed in our previous classes. Okay, so today I am going to make you understand the exercise of these topics. So you can see I am sharing the textbook with all of you. You can see that in first exercise A, match the animals to the correct articles. In articles, I have made you understand the use of a and an. Okay, I have told you that a can be used before consonant and an it is used before vowels. So if you see vowel words and the first letter of the words starts from the vowel letter, there you can use an. And if any words the first letter starts from the consonant letter, there you can use a. So here is one small activity for all of you, that you can see that here some of the animals are in group, okay, like crocodile, cat, squirrel, ostrich, fox, elephant, and giraffe and eagle. Okay, so these many animals are here, and here we have to use that with these animals where we can use a or an. Okay, so I have told you, dear children, that the names which starts or the words which starts from the consonant letter, there you can use a. Okay, and the words which starts from the vowel letter, there you can use an. Okay, so the first one is crocodile. Okay, crocodile, in crocodile the first letter of crocodile is C, and C, this is the consonant letter. So sorry, we can say a crocodile. Okay, this is a crocodile. Next, eagle. In eagle, the first letter of eagle starts from E letter, so we can use an eagle. Okay, next you can see giraffe. The first letter of giraffe starts from Z, so here we can use a giraffe. Next animal, that is the elephant. This is the very huge animal, okay, big animal you can say. So in elephant, the first letter of elephant starts from E letter, so we can say an elephant. Next animal, that is the fox. Fox में F जो है, that is the consonant letter, so we can say a fox. In ostrich, the first letter of ostrich, that is the O, so an ostrich. Squirrel, the first letter of squirrel starts from S, so we can say a squirrel. Okay, and the last one, that is the cat. So the first letter of cat starts from the C, so we can say a cat. Okay, so in this way we have completed this exercise. Okay, about articles I have already made you understand, so I hope that all of you have understood whatever I have made you understand. Okay, now we can see next exercise. This is the B. Circle the correct pronouns in the brackets and read the story. Okay, circle the correct pronouns in the brackets. So dear students, there are 5 sentences, and in each sentence the 2 pronouns are written in brackets. Okay, so first of all you read the sentence, then you think that which pronoun is correct and suitable for the sentence. then in that pronoun you have to put the circle, because the instruction is given to all of you that circle the correct pronouns in the brackets. तो जो इसमें correct है according to sentence, हम उसमें क्या करेंगे, we will put the circle and read the story. Okay, so the first one that is that I/V. तो यहाँ पे I और V दो प्रोनाउन हैं. ओके, एंड am Manisha. ओके, सो we am Manisha और I am Manisha. ओके, which is the correct sentence? Yes, the correct sentence is I am Manisha. ओके, मैं मनीषा हूँ, I am Manisha. सो यहाँ पे I के साथ क्या लगता है, am का यूज करते हैं, तो यहाँ पे I am Manisha होगा. नेक्स्ट सेकेंड सेंटेंस, दिस इज रोहन. यह रोहन है. तो रोहन इज अ नेम ऑफ ए बॉय. तो बॉय के साथ हम क्या लगाते हैं, she और he. विच प्रोनाउन यू कैन यूज? यस, यू आर राइट. ओके, विथ बॉय वी कैन यूज he. So this is Rohan. He is my brother. वह मेरा भाई है. Next sentence, mother has made sweets for my or us. Which is the correct pronoun? So mother has made sweets for us. Okay, so here we can use us pronoun. So in us we can put the circle. Next, we / us will share the sweets. So us will share the sweets. This is not the correct sentence. So we can use here we. We will share the sweets. Okay. She or we should not burst crackers. Okay. You can see that we should not burst crackers. Okay. Because we are the small kids. So we should not burst crackers. Okay, हमें पटाखे नहीं जलाना चाहिए क्योंकि हम बहुत छोटे बच्चे हैं. And if you want to use crackers, then use with your parents or with your elders. Okay, but don't use alone. Next, you can see this is the exercise C, and in this we have to fill in the blanks. Fill in the blanks with pronouns. So first of all of you read the sentence, and after reading, which pronoun should be written here. Okay, what should be the correct pronoun here? So we have to read and use the pronoun. Children, I have already made you understand the use of I, we, you, they, he, she, it. So I think that all of you know the uses of these pronouns. So you can use all these pronouns in these sentences, and which pronoun will be suitable for the sentence. You have to read the sentence and use the correct and suitable pronoun in the sentence. So the first one is, this is Rita. This is Rita, and dash is a girl. So Rita is the name of a girl. So for girl we can use she. Okay, this is Rita and she is a girl. Next, this is Karan. Karan is the name of a boy. So this is Karan. He is a boy. हम यहाँ पे करण के लिए he pronoun का यूज करेंगे. Next, this is a bat. ये क्या है? Bat है. This is a bat. So bat is a name of thing, and for thing, animals and places we can use it pronoun. So this is a bat. It is made of wood. Okay, ये क्या का बना हुआ है? लकड़ी का बना है. Next, these are cells. These are cells. So this is used for more than one. Okay, when you see any noun that is in the number more than one, there you can use they pronoun. So these are cells. यहाँ पे cells की संख्या ज़्यादा है तो हम यहाँ पे they का यूज करेंगे. These are cells. They are colorful. Next, this is grain. Okay, Drain is the name of a girl, so we can use that she pronoun. Okay, she is very active, वो बहुत एक्टिव है, तो यहाँ पे ड्रेनी के लिए हम क्या यूज करेंगे, she pronoun का यूज करेंगे. Now you see the next exercise. Tick the correct sentence in each pair. Okay, in each pair you have to tick the correct sentence, that which is the correct. So the first sentence, this is stars, those are stars. Dear children, I have told you that this means yah, that means vah. Okay, and this and that you can use when only one noun is there. Okay, so if you see in your sentence only one noun, we are talking about only one noun, there you can use this or that. Okay, and when you see more than one, there you can use these or those. Okay, so here we are talking about the stars. This is stars. The stars, this is more in numbers. Okay, so this is not correct for the stars, so those are stars. Okay, those are stars means वे सब तारे हैं. Okay, those are stars. So for stars, those pronoun will be correct, so we can put the tick, those are stars. In that sentence we can put the tick. Next, these are roses, that are roses. So that are roses, this is not the correct sentence. What is the correct sentence? These are roses. ये सब गुलाब हैं, तो गुलाब की संख्या ज़्यादा है, एक से ज़्यादा है, तो यहाँ पे हम these का यूज़ करेंगे. These are roses because this is shows more than one. Roses shows more than one in number, so these are roses. Here in this sentence we can put the tick. Next, this is a school, that is a schools. So that is a schools, this is not the correct sentence. What is the correct sentence? This is a school. Okay, so school एक है, तो वहाँ पे हम this का यूज करेंगे. Next, those flowers are lovely. Okay, those flowers are lovely. These flower is lovely. तो फ्लावर की संख्या ज्यादा है, सो यहाँ पे कौन सा सेंटेंस सही है? Those flowers are lovely, क्योंकि these के साथ बेटा हम is नहीं यूज करते हैं. With these and those we have to use auxiliary, that is the are. Okay, so those flowers, this shows more than one in numbers. Okay, so those flowers are lovely, this is the correct sentence, and here we can put the tick. Next, match the words to their opposites. Okay, match the words to their opposites. So these are the opposite words, and with these opposites we can match the words. Okay, so opposite words means what? Opposite words means विलोम शब्द, ठीक उसका उल्टा. ठीक है, जैसे hot, तो hot means गर्म, तो गर्म का जस्ट अपोजिट क्या होगा? कोल्ड. ओके, तो hot का कोल्ड. हॉट मीन्स गर्म एंड कोल्ड मीन्स ठंडा. तो हमें क्या करना है बेटा? यहाँ पे जोड़ी मिलाना है. सो वी हैव टू मैच द वर्ड्स टू देयर अपोजिट्स. सो हॉट को कोल्ड के साथ मैच करेंगे. नेक्स्ट इज स्मॉल. स्मॉल मीन्स छोटा, तो छोटा का अपोजिट क्या होगा? छोटा का अपोजिट बड़ा, तो स्मॉल का जस्ट क्या होगा अपोजिट? बिग. ओके, so we can match with big. Next, happy. Happy means खुश, और खुश का just opposite sad. Okay, so we can match happy with sad. Next, thick. Thick means मोटा. Okay, तो thick को just opposite हम किससे मैच करेंगे? thin से. thin means पतला. Okay, next, wet. wet means गीला, और गीला का अपोजिट क्या होता है? आपने ये सब हिंदी में भी पढ़ा होगा कि गीला का सूखा, तो वेट का dry. Dry means sukha. So once again we will learn it. Hot, cold, small, big, happy, sad, thick, thin, wet, dry. Dear children, these all are the opposite words. So please learn it. Okay, and I hope that all of you have understood whatever I have made you understand in today's video. Okay, so I hope that this chapter is clear to all of you. Page number 50 and 51, and all of you have done the revision of pronouns, articles and adjectives, which I have already discussed in the previous classes also. So thank you for today. Okay, bye.